Howdy all, welcome to
Hello.
another Daddy and Roo Do episode. A big thank you for all of you who have given feedback over the new format. It's much appreciated. This week we're going to be looking at a Magnetics electricity kit, another frugal find from Kathy's, and a great one at that. Frankly, this kit is, for the most part, good. It's safe, easy to work with, and the best bit, highly educational! The quality of the product is at school resource level, making this a far cheaper offer than your current options. When you first open it, there is an array of parts. The key bits are the connecting blocks, magnets, battery pack, and an interesting pendulum-type contraption. There is also iron filings. This allows you to make some funny patterns with the magnets. We found that the donut kind of worked the best on this. Okay, just a quick addition that I wanted to add in was to show you what it looked like when it's actually being used. So what we've just built now, you can see here there's a small switch, okay, where if you let go the motor will stop. There you go. And that is actually really good, and we've given this a go as well, and what we found is that using the magnet, once we electrify it, it wants to pull it even closer. Okay, what a great set. This set's by Thames Cosmos. It was found, like we said, at a charity shop, and looking at it we are missing, I believe, only one item out of the entire set, and that is the green light. That's the only thing I think that's missing, unless of course it's disappeared down the side of the seat. Excellent stuff. Okay, it's time for the bad bits. We couldn't find too much really wrong with this. It's a really good set. However, it's just small things perhaps that might be a little bit irritating. It'd be really pricey if you were to buy it very new, you know, looking at a top price of around £55. This used version was only missing its batteries though, so really it was a pretty good find and can't really find much else wrong with it. One issue that I want to bring into its own is the use of small holes in the blocks. If you couldn't see too well, you would struggle to use this, and perhaps isn't as accessible as I would like it. Our final thoughts then on this product. There is a good link to the understanding of circuits, and by adding magnets to it extends the objectives. Although the curriculum links are great, there is a secondary greatness to this. Its accessibility is actually very good. Although we did say about the small holes in the blocks for those who are sight impaired, in general this really fits the bill and would help anyone who needed support in this area of their science. All in all, this product is great. It's accessible as much as it is very well made. A good kit all round. This gets an approved. Okay, in the next episode we'll be looking at Meccano sets as a learning aid. Some more frugal purchases to show off. And as ever, make sure you visit beingstem.uk, take a look at the website and add some articles of your own. Until next time, happy building. Being STEM.
Bye-bye.